Chief guest, the Minister for Industry, Trade, Tourism, Lands and Mineral Resources, the Honorable Faiyaz Siddiq Koya. A very good afternoon, namaste, and a welcome to you all. And also, ladies and gentlemen, the issuance of registered leases. Vatukoula, just to be part of this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, of the Director Economy, Mr. Vatukoula, to deliver his welcome address. Please join me in welcoming.
It's a pleasure to be here this morning to distribute the 2017-2018 micro and small business grants to successful recipients from Ba, Tavua and Vatukoula. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a continuation of the 2017-2018 MSBG grant disbursement, which was rolled out in Latoka last month. Most of you have arrived early this morning, and I thank you for your patience and showing commitment to be part of the event today. Ladies and gentlemen, today's event will witness the awarding of grants to 1,039 successful applicants and recipients from Ba, from Tavua and from Vatukoula. And I wish to applaud the resilience of the people from the Western Division. You have not let any natural disaster bring you down. And you are all examples of how positive attitude and endurance can overcome any hurdle that comes before you. By being here today, you've demonstrated that you are ready to continue with your lives, either by starting a new business or by growing your existing business. As continuously demonstrated by the Fijian government through programs intended to improve the lives of the grassroots communities, we will not be leaving anybody behind in this journey towards prosperity. We will not neglect the needs of our people, and we will ensure that your endeavors for operating micro and small businesses are supported. Ladies and gentlemen, at the conclusion of today's event, the total number of businesses that have been assisted will increase to 19,548 around the country that have been disbursed, a total of $18.3 million since the launch of this program in 2015. I wish to reiterate that this program is one of government's most important initiatives, which is championed by the Honorable Prime Minister and has been successfully implemented by the ministry. The MSBG has achieved an outstanding 80.3% success rate, which is an exceptional performance that surpasses international benchmarks for success in SME development. This basically means that Fijians that are supported by this initiative are enterprising and are thinking of their future and of their families. And these are individuals who will make a difference. Ladies and gentlemen, as stated numerous times, that the grant is intended to assist each and every one of you to realize your dreams of becoming entrepreneurs. We want all Fijians to think big, to have a vision for their future. Companies such as Tapu's, Jack's, RC Manubai are some examples of successful companies that started small and have grown to become large and reputable companies they are today. I want to remind you, all of you recipients here today, that you can start small but think big, as your forward thinking will enable you to reach a level where you will become an effective contributor towards improving the Fijian economy. We, as your government, are here to support you in whichever way that we can. Ladies and gentlemen, MSMEs are the engine for growth for developing countries, as it contributes to employment creation, linkages to large companies, and a positive impact in our rural communities. And MSMEs are the bedrock for innovation and new ideas. One of the Fijian government's key strategic priorities is to increase the participation of our MSMEs in the global value chains, or GVCs. The MSBG initiative will contribute towards our endeavor to fulfilling this goal. Through this partnership, or through our partnership with the Fijian Development Bank, in this program, we are providing you with the opportunity to have access in the future through a commercial bank for financing. And with the issuance of your grants today, your respective files will be opened up with your respective FDB branches. And the progress of your businesses will be monitored in 6 months' time. Businesses that are found to have progressed and have doubled or tripled their investments by government will be graduated to levels where they are eligible for small business loans with the FDB. Ladies and gentlemen, the support of the ministry does not end here with the disbursement of the grants today. As I have mentioned earlier on numerous occasions, a monitoring exercise is undertaken to gauge the impact of the funding on your businesses. Our departments, such as the cooperatives and the Integrated Human Resources Development Program, provides trainings on starting and improving your businesses, which teaches the grant recipients business fundamentals and skills. The support mechanisms currently in place demonstrates that this is not a handout, but an initiative by your government to ensure that your businesses are sustainable in the long run through further capacity building and targeted support. Your Fijian government does not only make promises, but turns actual promises into deeds. Ladies and gentlemen, in conjunction with today's grant disbursement, we will also be issuing 50 registered leases to 50 recipients. This is the renewal of their state land agricultural leases, which includes residential leases also. And out of this 50, 9 are from Ravi Ravi in Latoka, 9 from Reki Reki, and 12 from Tavua, and 20 from Ba. And I know you have waited for this day to arrive. Well, this morning I'm pleased to say that it's all over. You will be receiving your registered leases, and this has been made possible with the collaborative effort between the Department of Town and Country Planning and the Department of Lands, the Ministry of Lands respectively. Ladies and gentlemen, today's handover of leases is an indication of government's commitment to the well-being of ordinary Fijians. We will not tire of our responsibility to deliver to you the best of that which can be provided, from the issuance of the registered lease to having basic and essential amenities and infrastructure. All this and more is what encompasses the lease documents that you will receive today. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish each and every one of you the very best in your business venture and look forward to crossing paths with you on the road to success. Renawa Lebu, Tanbad, thank you very much.
Narendra and Sunila. Prabhakaran. Mahendra Prasad. Sanjay Kumar. Jagda. Shalendra Narayan. Indra Devi. Govind Sami Naikar, Parwati and Bob. Bal Krishna. Mohammed Azam. Firoz Mohammed.
Anariata Tinai.
56.
Anasini Wayne Ronro.
59.
Anil Prasad. Samlesh Charan.
86. 87.
Arvind Kumar.
88.
Arvina Arnesh Lata.
90.
Okay. Faiyaz Ali. Faiyaz Ali.
Mama, who did?